today is kind of a big day. It's the last day that we can say that only Icon people know what it's like to fly the A5. You will be the first 5 people outside of Icon to fly this plane, and the first people that will then pass on their professional opinion about the A5.
That position if you want. I'll land right in front of you. You want to feel about what you're flying. Windows open. Your arm hanging out.
184 is the safest, smartest, and eco-friendly low-altitude autonomous aerial vehicle aiming on providing medium-short distance transportation solution. The journey of EHang 184 is paved with obstacles, but we keep making unremitting endeavors to successfully achieve the design KPI of prototype during the test flights. And this leads to the official project kickoff of EHang 184 AAV. EHang designed and developed our own propeller dynamic testing system. This is how we have done it. EHang attracted the best talents to work on structural design, industrial modeling design, and manufacturing delivered by top composite material team. All part of EHang 184 are designed and produced by ourselves. Here comes the official testing for EHang 184 chassis. Group of engineers on site, troubleshooting and reload. We have the application designed for EHang 184. After setting up the flight plan with a single click, user can take off on any location, sit, relax, and enjoy the flight. EHang will always keep in mind of its humble beginning, put our heart and soul with the products we build, absolute safety by design, automation, and sync flight management platform. You have our word.
Thomas is at the airfield with his flight instructor. Today, he had his third flying lesson, and his instructor wants to tell Thomas how satisfied he is with his progress. But that is not so easy because of the noise. But it can sound like this very soon. Right, you will hear almost nothing. We at Airbus Group have, together with partners, developed an electric aircraft, the E-Fan. This way we take a big step towards electric aviation and at the same time a big step towards helping the environment. Because there are no CO2 emissions from electric motors. Trainee pilot Thomas has already had the chance to see our E-Fan at an air show, and he was amazed. He learned that the E-Fan is almost entirely made of carbon fiber composites. This is what makes it so light, and it has to be, since its propulsion system, because of its batteries, is still relatively heavy. They are located, just like the fuel in conventional aircraft, inside the wings, and they will be lighter in the future. The batteries allow the E-Fan to stay in the air for about 1 hour. Thomas asks how the E-Fan can fly so quietly. This is achieved by its electric motors and the shrouded propellers. These fans, the propellers, give the E-Fan its name. Even the landing gear of the E-Fan has an electric motor. This way it can move efficiently and quietly, even on the ground. An entirely electric aircraft. This would be perfect for the flight school, Thomas thinks. Such an aircraft could fly on any day. No one will be disturbed by noise. The batteries inside the E-Fan's wings can simply be exchanged for the next trainee's flight. And the aircraft's onboard computer, the so-called eFADX system, enhances the safe operation of the aircraft.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every day.